I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a credit card to your Payoneer account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by visiting the Payoneer website and logging into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, find the settings option in the main menu. This is usually located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, look for payment methods or bank accounts. Click on it to access the section where you can manage your payment options. Step 4. Add your credit card information. Click on the option to add a new credit card. Fill in the required fields, including card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your credit card information, review it for accuracy and then click Save or Confirm. You may receive a verification email to finalize the addition. Remember, if you encounter a message about the card being invalid, double-check the card number and expiration date for any typos. I hope this helps you add your credit card smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.